So today we're taking a look at this multi-function table that also folds into a chair. So thank you to the company for sending us this to try out. We're going to go through kind of how it folds from one to the other and kind of show some of the features of it. So it's a chair. Now we're going to make it a table. Simple fold, and they also send you some nice supports for the table. So it's just accordions out, goes right on top, which kind of makes a nice, flat, sturdy table surface. So this can be used inside or outside. It's a great option for camping. You know, if you want to take it down to the river and you want to sit as a chair and then set it up as a table because you want to have lunch, the table will hold up to 44 pounds. It's a metal frame with a fabric seat. The chair is quite comfortable. It's very light. It does have a carrying case, so you can fold it up and put it in the case and carry it with you wherever you're going. So it's kind of like a nice little option. If you need a table or a chair, you've got both with you. The chair, it can hold up to 440 pounds. It's very comfortable, it's firm. So this is a really nice quality, either table or chair, your choice. It's well put together, well made, very durable, nice option for you.